Everybody, what's going on? It is Justin, aka the J Man. Before I continue, I want you to click that like button, leave your thoughts in the comment section box below, and of course, hit that subscribe button. Now I'm doing another Power Air Fryer Oven review, and this time it's not wings. I've done that. I'm doing something that's a little different. I made here candy bacon. And when I say candy bacon, I mean candy bacon. This literally has maple syrup. I took a brush, just drizzle of maple syrup, a little bit of soy sauce, on top, sprinkle black pepper, put them in for. Then I push that little shrimp button on the power air fryer oven. And now, let's get. This is candy bacon. This was smoked. So this is smoked candy bacon, and all the grease is out. There's all the grease has been dripped out of it. Flipped it over, but now look at it. All right, going for a bite. It tastes of the maple syrup, the crispy of the bacon. Look at that. You cannot go wrong with bacon, y'all. You cannot. I'm literally eating candy bacon. This ain't store bought. This ain't store bought candy bacon. This is store bought bacon that you can throw into your power air fryer oven. Throw a little bit of bacon or maple syrup on it. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of just whatever the ingredients, whatever it says. You can also do bacon jerky with bacon. Soy sauce, syrup, maple syrup, and black pepper. I gotta keep my thirst. And I'm drinking the red diamond sweet tea. If anyone's wondering what I'm drinking. But you can get just a little bit of crunch. It may come out burnt, but don't worry about it. Don't worry. That's how it's supposed to look. And if you have one of these little things, if you have one of these little containers at home, put the paper towel on it and deck it out. And now, going for the last bite. That's good. Never go wrong with bacon, y'all. Let me tell you, the power air fryer oven is still my best friend. Because guess what? I'm not having to sacrifice the good stuff for. I'm not having to give up the good stuff for the healthy stuff or the keto. So I'm just eating candy bacon. Ooh, that was crunchy. Did y'all hear that? Wow. Look at that, y'all. This ain't processed bacon. This ain't like the candy that you normally get at a store, like that processed candy. This is bacon, real smoked bacon. Wow. Between 1 to 10, y'all. Candy bacon gets a 10 from me. A straight 10. Alright, y'all. I'm about to wrap this video. So let me take one more sip. Until next time, I'll see y'all in my next video. Alright? This is Justin, aka the J Man. I'll see y'all in my next video. Later.